Hello everyone and welcome back to The Luxury. The hotels along Lake Como's beautiful, pristine shores are known for traditional luxury. This sunny, peaceful spot has been the holiday destination of choice for literary figures and aristocratic characters since people started traveling for pleasure, and some of the best luxury hotels on Lake Como have been here since the very beginning. Here is a list of 8 luxury hotels in Lake Como. Before we get into the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Alright, let's begin with today's list. Eight, Mandarin Oriental, Lago di Como. Boasting a wellness centre and views over Lake Como, Mandarin Oriental, Lago di Como offers elegant guest rooms and suites with 2 standalone villas in Blevio. It features a fine restaurant, free indoor and outdoor pools, free parking and vast gardens. The wellness centre at Mandarin Oriental Lago di Como includes 2 massage rooms, 2 private spa suites, a fitness centre with a state-of-the-art equipment, a beauty studio, a 16-metre heated pool with a hot tub, and a sun deck. With free Wi-Fi and air conditioning, rooms at this Mandarin Oriental include a minibar, a safe, and satellite TV. Some offer balcony or terraces overlooking Lake Como. Open for lunch and dinner, the restaurant serves regional specialties from Lombardy and Italian classics, as well as fresh, homemade pasta. Seven, Vista Palazzo, small luxury hotels of the world. Only steps away from the shores of Lake Como, Vista Palazzo Small Luxury Hotels of the World is set in Como, 100 meters from the ferry terminal. Featuring elegant decor, all units are air-conditioned and come with flat-screen TVs with satellite channels, electric kettle, and a minibar. Some offer a balcony, on which you can enjoy a cup of coffee while looking out at the mountains or the lake. Extras include free toiletries, bathrobes, and slippers, and even a hairdryer. Number 6. Bianca Relais. Bianca Relais has a restaurant, fitness centre and a bar and a shared lounge in Ogiono. Each accommodation at the 5-star hotel has garden views, and the guests can enjoy access to a garden and to a terrace. The accommodation features a 24-hour front desk, airport transfers, room service and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. This hotel will provide guests with air-conditioned rooms, with a wardrobe, a safety deposit box, a flat-screen TV, and a private bathroom with a bidet. The rooms will provide guests with a minibar. Guests at Bianca Relais can enjoy a continental or a gluten-free breakfast. Five, Grand Hotel Villa Castagnola. Right on the shores of Lake Lugano and within walking distance of the old town of Lugano, the 5-star Grand Hotel Villa Castagnola is set within a private, subtropical park. The hotel offers an indoor pool, a tennis court, 3 restaurants and free Wi-Fi. The 2 gourmet restaurants, Le Relais and Gallery Art al Lago, and the La Rucola offer Mediterranean dishes from the finest seasonal ingredients and selected wines from the well-stocked cellar. Once the home of a noble Russian family, the impressive mansion was transformed into a hotel in 1885. Rooms and suites in the Grand Hotel Villa Castagnola are individually decorated and have stunning park and or lake views, a balcony, a terrace or loggia. The View Lugano. Located in Lugano, Palazzo, a 5-minute walk from Lake Lugano and the Mont San Salvatore Park, the View Lugano offers modern suites with free Wi-Fi and air conditioning, a wellness area and a restaurant. The centre of Lugano is a 5-minute drive away. All rooms at the View come with a furnished balcony with lake views, a flat-screen TV and a minibar. Additionally, they feature an elegant bathroom with free toiletries, a hairdryer and bathrobes. A rich breakfast is served every morning, and dinner can be enjoyed at the in-house a la carte restaurant. Several shops and bars can be found within a few minutes walking distance. The wellness area comprises a sauna, a hammam, an indoor swimming pool, and a fitness area. Massages can be organised on request for an additional charge. 3. Hotel Splendide Royal, small luxury hotels of the world. Set between Via Veneto and the beautiful gardens of Villa Borghese, Hotel Splendide Royal is a converted 19th century monastery. The restaurant with a terrace offers a magnificent view of Rome's rooftops. Hotel Splendide Royal, small luxury hotels of the world, features spacious accommodations of extreme elegance and class. Each room is equipped with a satellite TV with pay-per-view channels, and some suites have a private terrace overlooking Villa Borghese. The restaurant of Splendide Royal Hotel was awarded with a Michelin star and serves fine Mediterranean cuisine. Various breakfast menus are available. The Splendide Royal's professional team of staff guarantees a warm welcome and a personalised service. Villa Principe Leopoldo. Villa Principe Leopoldo can be found amid a large park above Lugano, offering panoramic views of Lake Lugano and the mountains, and featuring leisure, sport and wellness facilities, as well as exquisite dining options. Wi-Fi is available here for free. A member of Relais and Chateau, Villa Principe Leopoldo is a harmonious blend of Italian charm and Swiss excellence. The historical villa, once a prince's residence, provides views of the lake and the garden, and the nearby park. The Chiso Spa offers a relaxing ambience made with professionalized treatments based on Villa Principe's own top-quality cosmetic line. Hot tub, sauna and steam bath facilities are also featured. At number 1, we have Swiss Diamond Hotel and Spa. Set on the shore of Lake Lugano, Swiss Diamond Hotel Lugano features 3 restaurants, an indoor and an outdoor pool, and a beauty and health centre. Admission to the on-site spa is free of charge. Free Wi-Fi in all areas is also provided. The elegant and spacious rooms at the Lugano Swiss Diamond Hotel are air-conditioned and feature lake or mountain views. DVD and CD players are also available on request. The restaurant Panorama on the 6th floor combines fine cuisine with wines and panoramic views. Restaurant Lago is directly situated on the lakeshore and serves fresh, homemade pasta and a selection of fish dishes. The restaurant Des Artistes is suitable for events of all kinds. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Which one did you like the most? Do let us know in the comments down below. Anyways, thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.